iDA ithi aseze asha amahlathi kulezi izikhulu ezisolwa ngenkohlakalo kanti iEFF ithi lokhu kusho ukuthi seliyabuya ithemba lokusebenza komthetho. iGood Party nayo ikhombisa ukushayela ihlombe ukusebenza kwezinhlaka zomthetho kuleli iNPA kanye namahawks kanti amanye amaqembu athi akuboshwe nosombusazwe abathintekayo kule nkohlakalo.
The problem is that no politicians had yet been arrested. Many of them had been named by the Zondo Commission, and the people would like to see that those politicians also get arrested.
iNFP nayo ikushayela ihlombe ukuboshwa kwalezi izikhulu.
For as long as we are not arresting the politicians who might have assisted them, it will all be in vain.
iATM yona ithi kunobufakazi obukhulu ekuboshweni kwabasolwa kulolu daba.
We urge the investigators to always ensure that they have enough and sufficient evidence that meets the threshold of the Criminal Procedure Act, so as to allow for the credibility of the justice system not to be impaired.
Abasolwa kulindele ukuthi babuyele enkantolo ngoMfumfu.